In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dividers in Notion. Dividers are a simple way to break up your content so your pages feel cleaner and easier to scan. Whether you are outlining a project, organizing meeting notes, or separating a checklist from a section of text, a divider gives your eyes a quick visual pause and helps readers understand where one idea ends and the next begins. There are two quick ways to create a divider, and they both result in the exact same horizontal line across your page. The first method is the fastest if you like to keep your hands on the keyboard. Type 3 dashes on an empty line, so that's a hyphen, 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 with nothing else on that line. The moment you finish typing, Notion will automatically convert those 3 dashes into a divider. You'll see a thin horizontal rule appear, neatly separating the blocks above from the blocks below. If it doesn't convert, check that your cursor is on a fresh line with no extra characters or spaces before or after the dashes. The key is that the line must be empty aside from those 3 dashes. The second method uses the slash command, which is great if you prefer searching for blocks by name. Type /, then the word divider, and press enter. You'll notice that typing the slash opens Notion's command menu. And as soon as you begin typing divider, the correct option appears. Pressing enter inserts the same sleek horizontal line wherever your cursor is. This approach is especially helpful if you are already in the habit of using the slash menu to insert headings, callouts, or other blocks. Both methods do exactly the same thing, so choose whichever feels more natural. If you are a quick typist, the 3 dash shortcut is hard to beat. If you like seeing options and confirming you've got the right block, the slash command is clear and reliable. Once the divider is in place, your page will be easier to navigate at a glance. Use it between sections of text, under a heading to separate a title from its content, or between lists to keep tasks and notes visually distinct. Dividers adapt to your page width and theme, so they'll blend in without drawing too much attention, just enough to guide the reader. That's all there is to it. Type 3 dashes on an empty line for an instant divider, or use the slash command by typing /divider and pressing enter. Thanks for watching.